Imagine the eerie of a tailless shadow streaking through the clouds like a phantom from the future. Its trijet engine bring hypersonic fury as it vanishes from radars, ready to dominate sixth-generation skies with unmanned and strike. Or could this Chinese enigma, the J-36, finally unravel against U.S. quantum AI swarms in 2025's tech wars? Its radical double-edged sword that exposes hidden flaws? Buckle up, aviation thrill seekers. On Defense Digest, we're plunging into the shadowy legend of the J-36, speculative sixth-generation fighter prototype that's pushing stealth boundaries with tailless diamond wings, and grip every riveting reveal till the mind-blowing end uncovers 2025's revolutions that could tip global air power. Smash that like if Chinese jets ignite. Subscribe and hammer the bell for more pulse-pounding breakdowns, and drop a fiery what's your dream matchup? J-36 versus F-22, and could it out hypersonic horde? Emerging from Chengdu Aircraft Corporation's secretive labs in the early 2020s as a trijet heavy tactical jet for long-range air dominance, and the J-36 prototype, first glimpsed in December 2024, evolving rapidly by 2025 with a second iteration featuring two-dimensional thrust vectoring nozzles, aerodynamics, and enhanced stealth coatings, stretching an estimated 20 long with a broad wingspan for superior lift, tipping scales at 34 max takeoff, powered by 3 WS-10 or advanced W turbofans, each belting over 30,000 pounds of thrust. Raw power allows it to Mach 2+ speeds, a combat radius exceeding 2,000 kilometers, and altitude 30,000 feet, all at a projected unit cost of $150 to $200, making it a high-stakes gamble compared to the $110 million J-20. Armed bays for PL-15 air-to-air missiles, hypersonic weapons, and precision bombs for devastating beyond-visual range strikes, the J-36 boasts sensor fusion, driven autonomy, and electronic warfare suites to jam threats, positioning it as a command in networked ops. Picture it in stealth, undetected over contested seas, sensors piercing fog to coordinate drone swarms F-35s, yet whispers of thrust vectoring glitches and production delays build the tension. Will 2025's test flights seal its supremacy or doom it in urban AI battles? As this J-36 vanishes into the horizon, laden with unspoken payloads and veiled tech, the heart peaks. What fatal exploit lurks next, and how will quantum integrations dash? Don't click away. Devour every shadowy second. Like if this hooked you. Comment your J-36 theories to spark the storm. Share with your squadron for the buzz. Subscribe to Defense Digest for endless epics on the jets that own the ozone, because the next station could strike any time. Stay enigmatic,